My name is Fred Kraus. I've been with Turfscape since 2013. As an account manager at Turfscape, I am in charge of both the crews and customer expectations. Starting in the morning, getting organized for the crews, what they're doing that day.
So John, Victor's going out doing a big install today. Is this good to go?
Yes, we're all set on this, Fred.
Awesome, I appreciate you.
You got it.
This morning we're going through and doing circles of safeties on trucks and trailers. Just going out, talking with the guys, making sure that we're ready for the day, making sure that they have all the things they need. Every day we have a huddle at 7:45. We're gonna go get the guys ready for the huddle. Morning, Joe. Huddle! Huddle, huddle, huddle! Huddle, huddle! Okay, good morning.
Good morning.
Talk about quality, talk about doing the right things, talk about detail, adding value, taking care of our customers, making a difference in people's lives. Joe LaDuca, everybody, take us out, Joe.
All right, Turfscape on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Turfscape! It is. It's the best part about the culture here at Turfscape. We talk to each other, we get to know each other, and it sets our culture and creates Turfscape what it is today. Oh, you're the man. Good. Okay. So after we get the crews out, usually the expectations, they're out of the yard by 8 o'clock. All of our account managers, we sit and stand at the employee board. We're looking at the crews and what each crew is doing that day, making sure that we didn't have any call-offs, or if we did have some people or employee issues, that we're moving crews around to make sure that the work can get done that day.
Then it's going to visit on-site crews, doing site audits, looking for quality, making sure that customers' expectations are being met.
So we are here at North Point and Country Crossing. We're going to meet with Alex, the property manager. I just want to do a site review, site audit, look at how things are going on the property. Good morning, Alex. Good to see you. Good, how are you?
Good.
When I talk to property managers, one of the biggest things they have issues with is communication. They can't get a hold of their contractor didn't tell them something got handled. That's where the communication part fails, and that's where Turfscape excels. Our standard is that we're communicating within 24 hours and that we're communicating when things are getting done, so that we do become that trusted advisor. All of this communication with our property managers allows them to rest easy, that their properties are being taken care of, we're doing quality work, we're communicating quickly, efficiently, and so that we can continue to grow together. One of the biggest benefits to our customers that we provide is the eyes on the ground every single week.
And now we're at a large educational campus, especially on a big property like this. I'm breaking into sections and I'm looking at a little bit of everything. Looking at fed material, make sure that we don't have any dead plants anywhere, looking at the quality of the mowing, looking for weeds.
We're trained to look at things not just landscaping wise, but we're looking at other concerns that property managers might not be aware of, such as roofs, siding, maybe some concrete repair. As an account manager, my main responsibility is to ensure that we're living out our core values on our properties. The main one being do the right thing. We're going to take care of our customer no matter what the issue is. We're going to make sure we're doing it right. I take a lot of pride in knowing at the end of the day, I'm making a difference in people's lives. Our property managers every single day get to go home knowing that their properties are taken care of, that our crews are taking pride in their work, and that we're doing the best that we can to beautify their properties every single day.
Yeah, absolutely. Give me like 10, 15 minutes, I'm on my way and I will be there soon.